down?
Yeah.
Because he don't have, you know, well, you know that little thing that how that goes through.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't lead to the little lever. It just goes to the tire.
Yeah, I'm about to show you how to. I'm about to show him how to do that.
He's just getting. He's gonna ride anyway. He's gone.
Oh, all right. Oh shit. Raise it up. Hold on. Raise it up. See right here, you push that pin in.
Yeah.
And that comes through the top right there.
Yeah.
Just push it out like that. So pull it out. Pull it through now. Pull everything through. You pull it all through. There you go. There you go. All right, get your head. All right, now you see the nipple right there? Look. See the nipple on top? Put that back on the nipple for me if you don't mind. See right there? Help me get it back right there. All right.
Oh, how is tire blue? Good tire.
Throw that up there.
This was like the best tires I had. Like so? Yeah. And my back tires were working fine. Front tires were worse. I don't know what happened.
Say, what, you need to ride to the house or what?
Yeah, because of cops.
Yeah. Where's Brandon at?
Yeah, Mama can't pick him up.
Mama can't pick him up?
Yep.
Where's Jason?
He drove home. He left me. He fucking drove off. Piece of shit. He was saying, the cop was saying, this shit was well. Like, yeah, you fucking should have. This shit just left me here.
Jason did.
Yeah.
You're scared of immigration.
Probably get deported or something.
Well, I see at 2:30 you text he was heading home with a female. What happened? What happened?
She was coming over, but she boogied like a friend did.
Yeah, so took all your money or what?
No. I didn't spend that money.
All right, fellas, y'all have a good one.
Thank you, man. Hey, I appreciate it.
All right.